morning, we're right here at a new project. We're making a road outside of the city, so we need to do some leveling first. We came here with the machines right here in the morning, and we're just doing a basic leveling. We need to take a little bit of the angles of the road before the grader finishes the construction. So let's go do that first. Τελειώσει, εδώ να περάσει. Πού θέλετε να πάτε, σε ποιο? Εδώ μέσα. Σε τούτο πρώτο ή στο δεύτερο? Για να φύγει και το μηχάνημα, γι' αυτό. Πώς? Περίμενε ένα λεπτό, δεν αργούμε. Τώρα, το παίρνω. Little progress update. We unloaded a few materials from the road we're rebuilding because this is not good material. This is not what we want for the road infrastructure underneath the pavement. So I am now unloading, I think, the third truck of this material, and I think it's going to be one more for the day. Hopefully we can find some solid ground underneath this so we can do the proper preparation for the road. So here's what we basically did. We opened a line like this, so we have space to put the remaining gravel, the remaining rubble on the other side of the road. So basically we're gonna take this part and we're gonna put it over there. We're gonna guide all of this gravel over there so we can give it a little bit of angle towards the water. Good morning, everyone. We are at our new project today. We are making the road with the asphalt. So we're doing some preparations on the ground. Now he's loading me off the bad material because we need to get rid of that material and then bring the good material that is meant for the preparation before the asphalt, that we can step on it and compact the soil. So this is the first truck for the day. We're going to dispose of the material and come back along with the second truck so I can get this done really fast. Damage to the water line. These things happen. Even if a rock goes there, it can get jammed in between the gravel and the water line, and it can happen. So unfortunately we have to stop the water and fix it. Usually the water has to go deep down, the water line has to go deep down 80 centimeters at least, 60 at least. This is up, very high up on the road, and this is typical of, you know, whoever does the job first, they don't do a good job, and then you have to fix all the problems. But that's fine. Almost finished the taking out the bad material, so it's just 2 more trucks, this one, and he's partying right now over there. So we're finishing that part today. Tomorrow we're bringing the grader machine to take all the angles on the road, so we're gonna be good and our project is gonna be on time. Γεια σου φίλε, καλά. Εδώ έχει. So we had to fix it, but until it's being fixed, it was leaking water and it made the soil too brittle. So I need to go take that out, take the old soil out, and we need to make it more healthy by pouring new material with rock inside. So it's not gonna go anywhere when the asphalt gets dropped on it. Because we are instructed to make a small sewage on the side of the road, so I can take the rainwater and put it down here. We were just instructed for this last minute, so I had to do all this extra work. Fortunately, we got it done on time, and we got 2 more to go over there where the pipes are. So we're gonna do this tomorrow. We're using the JCB and the grader to load me up the material that is not needed. So they're down there and they're loading up whatever it's not needed from that dirt road, because this dirt road is gonna become with concrete and it's gonna connect with this one. So basically this is the last load for today. Hopefully we can get done with this dirt road and we're ready for the concrete phase tomorrow and the next day. The day was hectic. It was raining in the morning. We were working in the mud, so it was kind of impossible to record. But we did some progress at work. Unfortunately, we did not work the whole day because the weather was bad. But the result is good. We're ready for Monday to start the next phase of our road.